Hello, welcome to a new video. You probably know that the human body has a skeleton. The skeleton is made of bones, which are connected together at joints. They protect your organs, allow you to move, and give your body its shape. But did you know that the adult human skeleton has 206 bones? These bones can be grouped into two divisions: the appendicular skeleton, which includes the bones of the limbs, and their attachments to the axial skeleton, which consists of the bones of the head, neck, and trunk. Did you know that your skeleton is not just one structure, but is actually made up of many different parts? Today, we will share with you 10 interesting facts about the skeleton, so stay tuned until the end. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. You may also like our other videos about the human body. Let's start at number 10. The skeleton grows with you. Babies are born with soft, flexible skeletons made of cartilage, which gradually hardens as they grow older. Cartilage is a strong yet flexible tissue that is found throughout the body, including the nose, ears, and trachea. As a baby develops in the womb, their skeleton begins to form from the cartilage, which is replaced by bone over time. This process of ossification continues throughout childhood and adolescence, during which the skeleton grows in size and strength. Number 9. Your skeleton is living tissue. Bones are not just rigid structures, but rather living tissues that are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. This process, known as bone remodeling, is carried out by specialized cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts. Osteoblasts are responsible for building new bone tissue, while osteoclasts break down old or damaged bone tissue. This continuous cycle of bone breakdown and renewal is essential for maintaining the strength and integrity of the skeleton, as well as for regulating blood calcium levels. Number 8. There are more bones in the body as a baby than as an adult. Babies are born with around 300 bones, which gradually fuse together as they grow older. This process of bone fusion is a natural occurrence during childhood and adolescence, allowing for the formation of larger, stronger bones. For example, the skull bones of infants are initially separate and then fuse together as the child grows. By adulthood, most people have 206 bones, although some individuals may have additional sesamoid bones. Number 7. Your skeleton produces blood cells. Inside the bone marrow, a soft, spongy tissue found in the center of some bones, is where blood cells are produced through a process called hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is the production of new blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The bone marrow contains stem cells that can differentiate into various types of blood cells, providing the body with a continuous supply of these essential components. This process is crucial for maintaining healthy blood and immune function. Deep inside many of your bones is a soft, spongy tissue called bone marrow. Every second, your body produces about 2 to 3 million red blood cells, and that all begins in the marrow of your bones. The biggest producers of these cells are bones like the pelvis, the ribs, the spine, and the sternum. Without bone marrow, your blood system simply wouldn't exist. It's kind of mind-blowing to think that while you're watching this video, your bones are quietly making blood cells at an incredible rate. Number 6. Your skeleton helps produce vitamin D. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it synthesizes vitamin D3. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, as well as for regulating calcium levels in the body. Vitamin D is synthesized in the skin upon exposure to ultraviolet radiation, specifically UVB rays from the sun. However, the actual production of vitamin D requires several steps, including the conversion of vitamin D3 to calcidiol in the liver and then to calcitriol in the kidneys. This process is influenced by various factors, such as the intensity of sunlight, the duration of sun exposure, and the individual's skin pigmentation. Number 5. Your skeleton protects your organs. The rib cage, for example, protects the heart and lungs. The rib cage is a bony structure in the chest that consists of ribs, costal cartilages, and the sternum. It provides support and protection to the organs in the thoracic cavity, such as the heart, lungs, and major blood vessels. The ribs are long, curved bones that are attached to the vertebral column at the back and extend outwards towards the front of the body. They are connected to each other at the front by the sternum, forming a cage-like structure that encircles the chest cavity. In fact, ounce-for-ounce bone is stronger than some types of steel. It's estimated that bone can withstand forces of about 19,000 pounds per square inch. This strength comes from its internal structure, which is similar to reinforced concrete. It has both a hard mineral outer layer and a porous but tough internal structure that gives it both strength and flexibility. Number 4, your skeleton allows you to move. Muscles are attached to bones via tendons, which are strong, fibrous connective tissues. When muscles contract, they pull on the bones, causing them to move. Joints are the points where two or more bones meet, and they allow for a wide range of motion, including rotation, flexion, and extension. For example, the shoulder joint allows for a wide range of motion, enabling activities such as throwing a baseball or reaching for an object. In contrast, the elbow joint only allows for flexion and extension, facilitating activities such as bending and straightening the arm. Number 3, your skeleton gives your body its shape. The skeleton provides a framework that supports the body and gives it its overall shape. Without a skeleton, the body would be shapeless and unable to maintain its form. For example, the skull gives the head its shape and protects the brain. The vertebral column runs down the back and provides support for the entire body. It also houses the spinal cord and protects it from damage. Number 2, the strongest bone in the human body is the femur. The femur is the thigh bone, and it is the longest, strongest, and heaviest bone in the body. It can withstand a weight-bearing capacity of up to 4 times the individual's body weight. This strength is due to the femur's size and shape, as well as its composition of dense, strong bone tissue. This is the thigh bone, and it runs from your hip to your knee. The femur not only supports the weight of your body when you stand, but it also absorbs the impact when you walk, run, or jump. Beyond strength, the femur also plays a critical role in connecting your lower body to your upper body and enabling smooth motion like climbing stairs or kicking a ball. Number 1, the smallest bone in the human body is the stapes. The stapes is one of the 3 tiny bones located in the middle ear, and it is responsible for transmitting sound vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. These are shaped like a stirrup, and it is the smallest bone in the body, measuring only about 3 to 4 millimeters in length. Despite its small size, the stapes plays a crucial role in hearing and balance. The stapes is part of a trio of tiny bones called the ossicles, which also include the incus and malleus. Together, they transmit vibrations from your eardrum to your inner ear, where sound is processed. Without them, sound waves would never make it from the air into your brain as recognizable sound. So next time you hear your favorite song or someone whispering your name, remember to thank the smallest bones in your body. Now, you know 10 interesting facts about your skeleton. We hope you enjoyed learning about this important part of the human body. If you want to learn more about the human body, please check out our other videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts. What did you find most interesting about the skeleton? We value your feedback and are always working to improve our videos. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. Please hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.